Good morning. Here I am again trying to improve the sound. Hopefully it will work. I don't know what's going on. It seems to be maybe it's the internet connection. Although here it should be all good everywhere. Oh well, little life challenges. Maria, is it better now? Good morning, Jana. What, sweetie? Paka, sweetie. Enjoy your day. Here's my friend's daughter going to school. Good morning, Jean. So yeah, I was just saying that I had to take my friend's daughter to school again, and I didn't want to be late like last Monday. So I'm gonna do a meditation from here. And actually, it works well because it's raining right now, and the park is all wet anyway, and they have a little gazebo here. All right, I'm gonna tag some people who are not here yet. Gina. Good morning, Mariella. I don't know, maybe I should change the view to something else like trees and cars. Yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna try to put my phone on a stand and see if it's still I'm gonna give some kind of view. Ugh, well, it is what it is. Sorry, guys. Let's just say that there's beauty in everything. All right, it is time for us to start. And to begin with, I want to read the update from Pascal in case you missed it yesterday. She sent me a little update on her dad, who we have been having in our thoughts and dedicating our healing practice to. So, this is what she says. The last news of my dad are positive. When he had the stroke, the blood in his brain was at 33 cubic millimeters, the day of the surgery at 100, and today at 15, which is good, I guess. His pupils are normal and he reacts to pain, which is great. His blood pressure is also stabilized, so today is a positive day. We still have to wait, but it's going in the right way. Thank you again for the special meditations for my dad. So today we're gonna continue with Ho'oponopono just like we have been doing it, and we will continue sending healing to Pascal's dad and everybody else who you have, who you want to include in this dedication, who needs healing, including yourself, of course. And first and foremost, we are doing really the healing on ourselves and then letting it extend to other people in the world. And Monday is usually our day for setting intentions and doing quantum jump for that. So we will combine this. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice, starting with the external. And remember, when you consider your external circumstances, also consider mine, what you see and hear through the screen. And consider the circumstances of practice for everybody else who is now connected live and everybody else who will be connected later in the day or tomorrow or whenever. It doesn't matter. just by the virtue of connecting to the space, we're all sharing something. Little by little, start bringing your attention more inward, noticing your thoughts, your physical sensations, your emotions. What does it mean? How does it feel to be you right here, right now, purely, without any pretense? Allow your breath to be soft and comfortable without any forcing. And invite effortlessness into your body, softening from the inside out, releasing whatever tension can be released right now. I'm going to start our quantum jumping practice with 3 breaths on each exhale. You're first going to visualize and repeat the number 3 times, and number 2 3 times, number 1 3 times. I'm going to guide it as always. Take an inhale, and as you exhale, 3, 3, 3. Another inhale when you're ready, and on your exhale, 2, 2, 2. Inhale, and exhale, 1, 1, 1. Relax. Remind yourself that there is no way to do this practice wrong. Everything that you see or don't, that you feel or don't, it's all perfect, just the way it needs to be for now. Now see, sense, feel, or imagine a staircase in front of you, 10 steps going down. I'm going to count from 10 to 1, and on each descending count, you're going to take a step down, going deeper and deeper into your subconscious. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're at the bottom of the staircase. Once again, take a breath in and out. And just relax, reminding yourself that everything is fine. Everything is just the way it's meant to be. And now we're going to do Ho'oponopono verse 3 times together. I'm going to repeat the verse, taking pauses in between the lines so that we can say them all together synchronized, increasing the power of this practice. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a few nice and relaxed breaths. And then visualize a hallway in front of you. with one door or several doors from which you will select the transit door you need to go through to set your intentions for the week. And before we go in, I want to encourage you, invite you to set an additional intention, or maybe it's going to be your only one if that's what you want, to make your week healing, the most healing that it can be for yourself and through yourself to others. So once you go through this door, we will include this question into the mix so that you can receive the answer, how you can do it, or just receive the energy that will help you create this healing or deepen it rather throughout this week. So find your door, take your hand on the doorknob, and and I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, the door will open and you will step in. 1, 2, 3. The door opens, you come in, and the door closes behind you. Look around, sense around. Remember, if you see things, that's great. If you don't, that's perfect. Just let everything emerge the way it's supposed to, whether it's images, thoughts, physical sensations, it's all good. And so, through whatever sense works for you, conjure your twin self, come up to them, and let them help you find your intention for this week so that your week is whatever you want it to be: peaceful, adventurous, lazy, relaxing, interesting, boring, whatever it is. And also ask your twin self how you can make this week even more healing for yourself and others around you. And specifically, how you can make it more healing for Pascal's dad, even if you don't know him. What can be done? What kind of energy can be sent out? What kind of thought, intention? And of course, it doesn't have to be only Pascal's dad, but everybody else who needs healing: physical, mental, emotional, spiritual. I'm going to give you a couple of minutes in silence to do that. And now it is time to wrap things up. So say goodbye and thank you to your twin self and walk back to the transit door. There is no rush. I'll give you a few moments for that. Now you're at the transit door, put your hand at the doorknob, and I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, the door will open, and you will step in back into this moment where I am waiting for you. 1, 2, 3. The door opens, you come in. The door closes behind you. Everything is perfect. Even if you didn't see anything, even if you feel you didn't get whatever it is you needed, trust the process. It will surface at some point, maybe during the day. It's all good. Just being here and doing what you're doing is what is needed. Nothing more, nothing less. Slowly walk back to the staircase. Now you see 10 steps going up. Before we go up, we're going to repeat the Ho'oponopono verse 3 times together. Once again, dedicating this healing practice to Pascal's dad in particular, and to everybody else who needs healing. If you know their names, include them by name, or you can just include everybody on the planet. I'm going to say the verse 3 times, making pauses in between the lines so that we can say them together. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And now let's climb up the stairs, going back to the conscious, logical thinking mind. I'm going to count from 1 to 10. On each ascending count, you'll take a step up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're back at the top of the staircase, back to your logical thinking mind, ready to start your day, equipped with some inspiration as to how to make your week whatever you need it to be, and how to bring even more healing into this world by just being you. One last time, I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and on the count of 3, you'll open your eyes, be wide awake and alert, feeling better than you did before. 1, 2, 3. Eyes open, wide awake and alert, feeling better than you did before. Ready to start your week and make it whatever you want it to be. Thank you so much for being here. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.